Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make sweet potato fries. But before I get into that, I want to talk about a giveaway I'm doing from today. It's my birthday giveaway. My birthday is at the end of this month, 25th of February, and I just decided to, just give back to you guys on my birthday, doing this giveaway. And what I'm gonna do, when I was in Trinidad earlier on this year, I saw some aprons, right? I'm not really into aprons, but my son-in-law brought it to my attention. This apron, it has like with doubles. You know, I love doubles and stuff. And I'll show you what it looks like. I'll show you the picture on the side here so you can see what it looks like. And I fell in love with the apron, and I couldn't get it off my mind. So I said, you know what, that's a good idea for a giveaway. So I'm going to give away three of them. Three. Three of them, right? So the rules are just simple. You must be a subscriber, and just leave a comment in the description box, in the comment section. Just say, I want to be, you leave a regular comment, and in addition put I want to be part of this giveaway. Of course, I would stand the shipping costs to wherever you are, because you guys are just awesome, and it's time for me to give back to you guys. So wherever you are, this is open to anybody, any part of the world, wherever you are. And yeah, so I look forward to your comments. So let's go to the kitchen and finish this recipe for the sweet potato fries. Enjoy. So I'm starting with two potatoes here, two sweet potatoes. Excuse my nails, I need to clean them. This one is quite huge, so if anytime I just use this one, or if depends on how it is, I'll just use the two of them. But normally if you have like two about this size, would be all good. But I might just be using this one, so I'll cut in it and see how it looks. So let's go to the other set of ingredients. Okay, for the seasoning, I'll be using some paprika, some cumin powder, some chili powder, salt and black pepper to taste, and I have some cornstarch and some oil. This cornstarch is basically to get the chips nice and crunchy. Now this season that I'm using here is optional. You could use whatever season that you like to make your sweet potato fries to your taste. So I'm going to peel the potatoes now so you can see. So since this potato is quite large, I'm going to cut it in two. And then begin to peel. Okay, so now that I've done peeling the potato, this is one half of the potato here. I'm going to cut it in half. I'll just deal with one half at a time because it's quite a little difficult to cut up. Probably do this another one. I might have to leave it like this. Let's go this way. What I'm going to do for these that are a little thick, I'll just cut these in half. So at least I get the idea, just get them to a nice little size that looks like fries. Size. Oops. So what I'll do, I'll finish cutting up the rest of the potato, and we go on to the next step of seasoning these pieces of the sweet potato. So here's my sweet potato. I'm going to sprinkle a bit of the cornstarch. Remember, the cornstarch is basically to get it a little crunchy. I'm going to add some of the all the different spices. The cumin powder. This is chili powder, and some of the paprika, salt and pepper. Just mix that up good. Let that fully coat the potato. Now I'm going to add some of the oil. And give it another mix. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my baking tray. Put these on the baking tray. My oven is set at 350 degrees. What I'm going to do, I'm going to lay it off. I'm going to show you though. Lay it off on the baking tray. They have to bake for like about 50 minutes on one side. And then I'll turn them over and let the other side bake for 50 minutes. So total baking time will be 30 minutes. Looking good. So here's my sweet potato on my baking tray. I lined it with a bit of foil and I sprayed a little bit of palm spray on the foil before I put the pieces of potato on it. So I'm going to put this in my oven and let, like I said, one side bake for 15 minutes. Then I'll turn them over and bake the other side for 15 minutes. So here's the sweet potatoes after I had them in the oven for over 15 minutes. So I'm going to turn over each one and put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. As you can see here, when I put them in the tray, I didn't put them close together. There's sort of a science behind it, not to stack them too close together. I forgot to mention too that when I first started the video, I had a very large sweet potato, so I just used that one because that I realized that was sufficient for my husband and I. So I didn't really cut any more than that, only that large one that I cut up. So this is going back in the oven. Okay folks, so here's my sweet potato fries. I'm really loving these fries right now. I love the flavor and the smell that the cumin has given these fries, and they're really good. I love these guys, and you know sweet potato is very healthy, and this is a good way to prepare them, putting them in the oven. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.